Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on a Mercedes-Benz GLA 250, and in this video I'll show you the process of replacing the ABS module. As with any electrical repair, safety comes first. Before disconnecting sensitive electronic components, it is recommended to disconnect the battery. This helps prevent accidental shorts and protects the vehicle's electronic systems. The customer came in with multiple warning lights on the dashboard. The ABS light was on, the traction control system was disabled, and several fault codes were stored in the vehicle. After performing diagnostics and checking the system, it was determined that the ABS module had failed and needed to be replaced. Before replacing any ABS module, it is always important to verify the problem properly. Many ABS-related faults can be caused by wheel speed sensors, damaged wiring, poor electrical connections, low battery voltage, or even communication issues between control modules. Simply replacing parts without diagnosing the system can become very expensive and may not solve the problem. Now we're locating the ABS hydraulic unit and control module assembly. On the Mercedes GLA 250, the ABS unit is located in the engine compartment and can be somewhat difficult to access depending on the engine configuration and surrounding components. The ABS system is one of the most important safety systems on the vehicle. It prevents wheel lockup during hard braking and helps maintain steering control. Modern vehicles also use ABS data for traction control, stability control, hill assist, and other advanced safety features. Now I'm disconnecting the electrical connector from the ABS module. Mercedes connectors often have locking mechanisms that must be released carefully. Forcing the connector can damage the pins or the locking tab, so patience is important here. Before installing the replacement module, I inspect the mating surfaces and make sure everything is clean. Dirt, moisture, or corrosion can sometimes create electrical issues, so cleanliness is important. Now we're positioning the replacement ABS module onto the hydraulic unit and carefully aligning all mounting points. Once everything is properly aligned, I begin installing the mounting bolts by hand. Starting bolts by hand helps prevent cross-threading and ensures proper alignment. After all bolts are started, they can be tightened evenly. Uneven tightening may place unnecessary stress on the housing. Replacing an ABS module on a modern Mercedes is usually more than just a mechanical repair. In many cases, the replacement module must be programmed, coded, or initialized so it can communicate correctly with the rest of the vehicle. Depending on the module type, this process may include coding, variant configuration, software adaptation, steering angle sensor calibration, brake pressure sensor calibration, and clearing fault codes. Now that the new ABS module has been installed and programmed, the next important step is bleeding the brake system. Anytime the hydraulic system has been opened, air can enter the brake lines. Unlike brake fluid, air is compressible, which can cause a soft or spongy brake pedal and reduce braking performance. Removing all trapped air is essential for restoring proper brake feel and ensuring the braking system operates safely. For this procedure, I'm using a brake bleeding tool to maintain constant pressure in the system while bleeding each brake caliper. Maintaining a steady flow of fresh brake fluid helps push any trapped air out of the brake lines and the ABS hydraulic unit. During the entire process, it's important to keep the brake fluid reservoir filled to prevent new air from entering the system.